I think it's really good to get out of the classroom and then actually learn how to work as other teams in a different building, because we have another school here and we don't know them. And we had this workshop where one round was about animals, so I was really good at that one. And then the next round was about literature, and I didn't really read much books, I don't know much about it, but then I had a teammate that almost got us through the last round because they knew a lot about that. So I think it was really good to learn like other people's strong suits and how to work together.
One of the biggest things I learned today was that no matter how good your product is, you have to be able to sell it. So it's about like you and how you present it to people, and how you sell your pitch. And I think that's really important, because you can have great ideas, but you need to be able to connect with people and present that.